In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or lock an image on Google Drive. So if you don't want anyone to have access to your image on Google Drive, then what you want to do is first of all, go to the image that you would like to keep hidden. Then you want to go to the top right and select over here where it says share. And the most important thing you want to do is you want to make sure that where it says general access, that restricted is selected. So sometimes it's going to show anyone with the link and you do not want that. You need to make sure that it is restricted, then press on done in order to confirm it. Another way you're able to do this is you're able to actually upload your image onto Google Photos. All right, so here we have Google Photos, and let's go ahead and just find the image right over here. So you're able to go ahead and go to the top right, press on these three dots one more time, and then this time select over here where it says move to locked folder, then press on move. And basically what that does is that it is going to move your image onto a folder that is locked, meaning that you are only able to see it within this folder itself. And if you try to access it or someone else tries to, they will need to enter in your password. So that there is very secure and will also keep your private information safe. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.